Hi, so I'm Dr. Hanan, and today we have this group of lovely ladies that are here, and we're learning how to make kombucha. So we're going to get started. We've already boiled our water, so you guys don't have to sit and wait for that piece of the process. And we are going to take 5 tea bags because Miss Geraldine, whose house we're at, likes 5 tea bags in her kombucha, and we're using a 3-quart glass container for this batch of tea. Okay? All right, so it's simple. Don't do that. This is the part you don't do. You boil your water, put your tea bags in, and then we're going to let that tea steep in the hot water for just about 15-20 minutes. Now, you'll see a whole bunch of people that tell you different ways to do this. And the way I like to do it is I don't boil the whole gallon of water, because then you have to wait 24 hours, about that much time. About 24 hours you're waiting overnight for your water to cool. And I'm impatient. So I just boil just enough water to be able to steep the tea in, let it steep for 15-20 minutes, and then we use the rest of the water cold. So that way it's brought down to room temperature right away. So we're going to pause here, and then we'll come back after the tea brews.